Everyone knows when you put water in an ice cube tray and you stick that ice cube tray in the freezer, it creates ice. But what if you filled that ice cube tray with milk and you put it through a blizzard? This is Zick the Quick Science Uncut. Alright, so as you guys saw in the intro, I am doing the science experiment. So apparently there's supposed to be like a snow blizzard out tonight, or sometime in the blizzard out tonight, or sometime in this weekend. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be filling a few cubes of this ice tray right here with some milk, some good old reduced fat milk. I'm gonna be pouring it in, leaving it outside, and seeing what happens. With some milk, some good old reduced fat milk. I'm gonna be pouring it in, leaving it outside, and seeing what happens. I'll be giving you guys up. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna do my best here.
I'm on it, banana pants. Let's speed things up.
You're unaware, keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Just stare, cause the flames will burn us. Thought you were the one for me.
I have the milk tray right here. I am putting it outside to see what happens. Here we go. Come on, come on. Let's go, guys. Oh, shit. It's freezing outside. I am very cold. Okay, so guys, I guess I'm just gonna be... The grill is being closed. Jeez, okay. So the milk tray is in there, guys. I'll give you an update either later tonight or sometime tomorrow morning. Quick here. It is 5 degrees out, guys. It is the next day. There's ice covering up this plant right here. It's extremely cold out. And we're gonna be here. It's extremely cold out. Extremely cold out. And we're gonna be opening this up to see, I guess, how this milk cubes look like. Here it is, guys. It looks pretty frozen to me. I'm gonna take this inside. It's very cold, very cold. Guys, if you're inside, you can turn it off. Okay, as you guys can see, the milk has been freezed, I think. Let me just make sure. Should I touch this? Alright, here we go. Yeah, that's frozen. Alright, here we go. Yeah, that's frozen, guys. Like you could tell. Let me get a good angle for you. That is solid shut. And let me just show you guys something, just in case you don't believe me. Look at that, guys. It's upside down. Nothing is coming out. That thing is frozen shut. Look at these. That's ice right there. Ice cold. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook up some hot cocoa to put it in and try and see how it tastes.
2,000 years later. Hours later. One eternity later.
cubes right now. I have no idea how to do this my first time. Alright, I'll just put it, I popped it out off camera. And now I'm putting it in. There we go. Almost you could see the milk coming off it, but it's still frozen hard. There we go. Okay. Okay guys, the milk cubes have officially been dissolved. I'm gonna try some of this hot cocoa now, see how it tastes. Honestly guys, it tastes the same, just a bit more slimy. It tastes like milk mixed in hot chocolate. But the milk is not nearly as smooth as usual, a bit more slimy. It's actually really good though, because it does give you the nice ice flavor to it. And it's actually really good, guys. I would say this is not any worse than just putting normal milk and hot chocolate. But would I recommend it? Well, depending on how much time you have on your hands, because this takes about 2 hours to freeze, and pouring in milk doesn't take any time. So, I don't know. It is kind of cool though, guys. Look at this. Okay, but it's frozen. Yeah, guys. This is pretty good. Guys, comment down below what you guys want me to do with the rest of these. I can do anything with them. I can build a tower out of them. I can make a video of watching them melt. I can do anything, guys. I can watch them melt and then drink them. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to slap the like button. And until next time, peace.